Losing your credit card can be stressful, but with CIBC, it doesn't have to be. Report your card as lost or stolen and request a replacement in just a few simple steps with CIBC Online or Mobile Banking. 1. Log into CIBC Online or Mobile Banking. 2. Select the card that is lost. 3. Go to Manage My Card. And 4. Select Report Lost or Stolen Card. Remember, you can also call us to report your card lost or if there are unrecognized transactions on your account. Your lost card is canceled immediately and a replacement card with a new number will be mailed to you. It should arrive within 4 to 10 business days. Want to use your new credit card right away? Setting up Apple Pay or Google Pay is easy and only takes a few moments. Simply follow the prompts at the end of the lost or stolen card request in the CIBC mobile banking app. Or, if you reported your card lost in online banking or by phone, you can still access your card immediately by going to Settings and Security within the CIBC mobile banking app and selecting Google Pay or Apple Pay settings and following the prompts. Within minutes, you can make purchases with your mobile wallet while you wait for your physical card to arrive. If your card was previously added to Apple Pay or Google Pay, it's already updated for you and ready to use. Once you receive your new card in the mail, log into online or mobile banking to activate it, and you're all set. Don't forget to update merchants with your new card details for any recurring charges that were linked to your old card number. Stay on top of your credit card with CIBC Online or mobile banking. For more information on other great features, visit cibc.com/manage my card.